The bathroom is the second germiest place in our home. Did you know your toothbrush holder actually contains more germs than your toilet seat and is the third germiest item in your whole house? The toothbrush holder is the germiest thing in your entire bathroom. It's best not to store it on the counter, as a shocking 27% of all toothbrush holders contain chloroform, poop bacteria. Pop that sucker in the dishwasher ASAP or replace it with a sparkling new toothbrush. If this Simply Made cleaning tip helped you expand your knowledge, give us a call at 918-770-6346 or request a quote today at simplymadeok.com.